Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. Here's a little guessing game tonight. As you can see, I'm cutting out a truncated cone out of 0.30mm styrene. And you can see it's based on this template here, which I printed out after inserting the correct dimensions on this very interesting website called templatemaker.nl. which I will include, if I remember to do so, in the description box. So I would like you to try and guess what this is for. This has nothing to do with the rail car, it has nothing to do with the Rivarossi tram. In fact, I'm waiting for paint to dry now, so I painted some things and the rail car is going to go towards its final assembling phases in the next days. And I might even have a go at assembling that, putting the tram back onto the chassis later on, so we'll see. So I'd like you to try and guess what this is for. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to glue this together to turn it into the truncated cone I'm after. I will also tell you that it combines with a couple, either with these two discs here that will also be cut out of 0.30mm styrene, which I drew using my my circle template. This one here. There you go. And I've also cut them out in 0.75, which was a little bit more complicated because it's thicker. Anyway, I don't know if this is going to work, but it's an oncoming project, shall we say. Yes, it is an oncoming project. It's something we'll do, and we'll do together after finishing the rail car and the tram. Okay, let me know if you let me read your guesses in the comments. Cheerio, and see you next time. Ciao ciao.